Somebody kept waking me up this morning. He was really excited to show me something. Why don't you show me? Show everybody what you did. What's that brown stuff on the floor? What is that? Is that stuffing from Mom's new pillow from her new couches? Dude, what did you do that for? You know I'm going to have to call her up and soften the blow before she gets home from Canada. Dude, you are in deep shit, man. Oh, she's going to kill you. Now I got to try to patch things up for you. Yep. Are you proud about what you did? Huh? Yep. Yep. Better hope she doesn't try to put you in the pound. Bad doggy.